Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce training class. So in last video we learned how we can create custom home page and how we can edit the home page, and as well as we learn about the lightning app builder. So next in the same row, in next we are going to learn about custom record page. So we can also create a record page using the lightning app builder, as well as we can customize the existing record page. So first let's talk about what is record page. So whenever we are on any object, and we are seeing the records of that object, and when we open any of the records, so we go to that time we go to the record page. So record page is a combinations of fields which show which show showing the value of that field, so that we can check the details of any records. We can check the field value, we can directly edit the value, we can directly edit their value or update their value from the record page. So we have a facility to edit the edit the records on record page. So we will learn how we can create a custom record page using the lightning app builder, using as well as we learn how we can customize the any existing record page. So let's see first of all what is the record page in our Salesforce org. So here I am in my org, and here you can see we have an object with name like account, and here you can see the records. And when I'm opening any one of the records, see here we have, this is the related list of that record, and this is the detail of that record. So we can check the details of the records from here, like name, numbers, phone, websites, etc. So we can also edit the field of any records. uh, we can edit any of the field of this record. So all this facility is available here on record page, and we can customize this page. If we want to customize this page, arrange according to our need, we can do this from here. So we can customize this page, and we can also create a new custom page. So first of all, let me show you how we can customize the page. For customization, we have go to the gear option, then here you can see the edit page. So just click on the edit page. Okay, so here I am on lightning app builder. You can see here this is header section, and it's showing the name, it's showing the pages, it's showing the name of this record page, and here is the standard components, and we can search from here. And this is the canvas where all magical things will happen. So if you want to remove any components, you can do it from here. If you want to add any components, we can do it from here. Just suppose I want to one more section in this component. So how can I do this? Just click on this. Here you can see we can add tab here. So we can add tab. After adding the tab, we have to click on add tab. After adding the tab, we can change field name from here. So just suppose I want to add let's suppose I want to add the field. So we can select the field and click on the done. So our new tab has been added here. Now we have to add a component here. So let's add a component in this section, and I'm gonna add this rich text area. Okay, so this is the way how we can modify the page, how we can customize the page according to our need. And if we want to change means if we want to remove any of the components, so we can delete from here. If we want to remove any tab, then we can do from here. So here you can see we can just click on cancel button, cross icon, and that field will be removed. So this is the way like how we can do the things, or as well as we can change the year orders. So this is, you can see the changes over here. So the This is like how we can customize the existing record page. Now let's see how we can create a new record page. So just save it and activate this. So when we activate this, it's asking about like you want to make it org default. If you want to make it org default, then it asking for what desktop or phone, or we can choose for both. So I'm gonna choose for both and just save this. Okay, so this is the way how we can customize the page. Now let's see how we can create the customized list record page. For this, we have go to the setup again. Just go to the setup, then search for the Lightning App Builder. So here is the app builder. Just click on this. So I'm on Lightning App Builder. I want to create a new record page, so click on the new. Then it's asking about like what do we want to create. So I want to create a record page, so this time I'm gonna select record page, click on next, just give the name new account record page. Okay, new account record page, and we have to choose the object here, then click on the next. And now you can see we have lots of template here. When we creating the home page, we have a 3 to 4 template over there, but whenever we creating the record page, so we have more options. We can choose according to our need. So I'm gonna select header and 3 reason. So you can check the things here, like how it's look like in desktop, how it's look like in mobile. So you can check like which one you want. So we can do this. So I'm gonna select this. Okay, now it's here we can add the header, and here we can add our components. So let's add something in header. So I'm gonna I'm gonna add this highlights panel over here, so that we can check the name of the account and phone number and short information here. Now add detail. So record details, we can do it one by one, or we can create a tab and then add this component. So it's completely up to you how you want to do this. I'm just showing you like how you can do it separately, and as well as how can do it together. So if you want to do it separately, you can do. If you want to add into the tab, so first we have to select the tab and just put the tab here. Then here we have two sections, related and details. It's automatically giving the name. We can add two component here, so we can add here. So first we have to add related record. Sorry, we have to add related list, so we can add this here. So here is our related list. Sorry, I'm just added it in detail tab, then add related list. Okay, now add details. So detail is details, where it's gone. Record detail, yeah. So add this here. So we added the related list and details, and in this section I want to add some more tab. So let's add some tab here. Okay, we can remove the tab from here and add some another tab. Just change the name. I want to add here activity, so let's add activity here. Activities. Okay, so like we can do the things according to our need. And again add let's add a chatter in this section. So this is our chatter. So this is the way like how we can add the things. So I'm added the chatter, I'm added the activity, related list, detail. So now it's time to save our record page. So let's save it. Now it's asking about the activation, then activate this, and again it's asking about make it default. Yeah, I want to make it default for desktop and phone both. Then it's asking, after that it's asking about like apps for which app we want to add this record page. For now just say this app, set the app, assign app default app. So I'm gonna set this for the school management and save. For this again it's asking like for which one. So I want to add for both. So yeah, okay, and save. And also we can, if we have any record type, we can assign the record type and profile and app. So we can do it from here. Select the school management, then next, then next. Now it's asking about the record type, so we can choose if for which record type we want to assign this page, and after that profile, whom you want to assign this page. So I want to assign the system user and system administrator, and save this. So this is the way like how we can create a new record page. And now save this. So our page has been saved. It's time to check the things. Let's refresh this, refresh, and go to the account, open the record. You can see now this record page has been changed. Here showing related list and detail, then activity, then chatter. So this is the way how we can customize our page according to our need. So that's all in this video. We will create app page in next video. Till then, bye, take care.